Okay guys, in this video I want to look at similar quadrilaterals a little bit further. And we have this example here that we saw in our last video. But basically, with similarity, again, what we're primarily dealing with is the angles and the side lengths. Okay. Now in this case, we of course have a dilation here, and dilation has a few more properties that not all similar shapes have. For example, in this case, we know that all of the corresponding lines in any dilation are parallel. So, for example, AB is parallel. We see AB here is parallel to WX here. So that kind of thing, of course, is true of all dilations, but not necessarily with similar figures. So, but getting back to similar figures, we're talking about lines and angles. Okay, so we always have, whenever we're talking about at least dilations, we have a scale factor, right? So in this case, our scale factor is 3 to 1. So this big ABCD, that's going to be 3 to WXYZ will be 1 there. Okay? So if that's 3 to 1, AB equals 12, then what is WX? So AB, if this is 12 here, then what is WX there? Okay? Well, if the scale factor is 3 to 1, we know that WX is going to be a third as big. So that means this should equal 4. Okay. Finally, or next, CZ. So CZ, we're talking about, let's see here, we have sort of this line here, right? So that line there. CZ, if that is 2, what is CD? Okay, what is CD? All right. So if this is 2, well, we know, again, the scale factor is 3 times. So CD is going to equal 6. All right, so we've covered sides. Also, angles. So measure of angle XYZ is 80. So the measure of angle XYZ, okay, so this angle right here is going to be 80. All right, so I want to know what the measure of BCD is. BCD is right here. B, C, and D. BCD. Okay, so BCD, what is that? Okay. Well, again, you have to go back to the given of what similar means. So we know in any dilation, such as this, the quadrilaterals are similar. And so, given that, if this is 80, then this is also going to equal 80 degrees, okay? So, the angles will be identical. So, congruent angles, proportional side lengths, that's the definition of similar shapes. So, hopefully this gave you a decent idea of how that works, how we use it a little bit. Thanks for watching.